What's your comment on that po na parang you're acting like daw po ang mafia?
Bahala siya.
First question po. Kong Jill, yung sinabi niyo po na you're not necessarily pushing, pero you're necessarily parang pushing na rin for the Vice President to resign. Of course, she's voted by 32 million people. She's voted by more people than the President. And meron din siyang cadre of bloggers and supporters na pwedeng kalkalin ang buhay ninyong mga congressman. Kinakalkal na nga yung buhay ng mga quadcom eh. So ano pong ma-expect niyo po dito? Kasi you're basically treading on a landmine here. Kasi the Vice President has so many supporters.
Trabaho lang po, walang personalan.
Next question na lang po and my last question. Sinabi po ng isang columnist namin, si Manu Tequia, na you're being compared to an mafia. You're being compared to a mafia code of honor, yung rules and yung mga pag-open ng budget, presentation and all. And I quote her, "Omerta, the mafia's code of honor is embraced by the very institution elected by the voters to stand for their interests. And the rules are bent to suit their ends. Truly, he who has gold rules is the only rule honored in this chamber." What's your comment on that po, na parang you're acting like daw po ang mafia?
She's entitled to her own opinion. Bahala siya.
As Kong Jill said, we're just working with the rules here. We're nagtatrabaho lang po kami. I appreciate the questions read, no, but they seem to be politically charged. So I think we'll just leave our work to speak for itself po siguro.
Ako, nabanggit mo yung 32 million, siguro ang isang opinion ko na lang doon. Respetuhin niya yung nagtiwala sa kanya para may luklok siya sa pwesto at gampanan niya yung trabaho bilang vice-presidente.
Thank you.
And with regards to the landmine that you mentioned, yeah, it's been happening for the past 8 months, so it's nothing new.
Thank you. Kenneth Basilio from Business World.
Hello, magandang umaga po. So help us understand na lang po, no? State economic managers said they formulated the national budget with the Philippine Development Plan 2023-2025